Hi, my name is Bashar Taqi, and today I'll be taking you through our audit log page. Through our audit logs, you'll be able to see, monitor, and keep track of any action taken on your platform on behalf of anyone else. So as you can see, we can track up to 79 different activities, and they are all trackable per user. So if you have multiple users, you can actually see who takes what action based on the time period that you have set. So let me go through a few examples on the use cases that we have for this. Our first use case is the most common one, which will be logging in and logging out. You'll be able to keep track of who actually is signing into the portal and taking a look at the domain and following up with the actions needed. So you can give you the activity, so here you can see it's either login or log out, the actor, and in this case it will be the username associated if possible and if available, the IP address, so what this is where they signed in from, and most importantly, the date and time as well. If you click the action button here, you'll be able to see more details related to the activity taken. So in the case of login, you'll be able to see the gateway as in where they signed in from. So you can see here they signed in from the web, and the login method. So in this case, it was just the normal username password. If you were to use our SSO feature, you would see that here as well. We support many different activities, including policy updates, domain addition and deletion, hosted service enforcement as well. So just as an example, we can actually see when the domain was added, when the domain was created here. So again, looking at the action here, I can see the actual domain that was added and how it was added. So it was added through the web, or when it was deleted as well. So what domain was actually deleted. To take you through our filters, so let's say I would like to see all actions done by myself here, I can just select my name and that will actually filter for all the actions taken by me. Whereas if I were to do, for example, this other test user that I have, I'll be able to see all the actual actors, the activities done, as well as the IP addresses here. This way you can actually keep track and keep the accountability there. To give you an example of how we can utilize our filters to see what action is taken when, I will use the filter to see when my hosted DMARC was last updated. So by clicking the drop down here, I can search for the keyword DMARC. I can see I have two options under this search. So I'd like to see when it was updated. So clicking this will then filter to see who took the action, what IP address it came from, the date the action was taken, as well as what domain this affected. The audit log is a powerful feature to let you know and keep track of who takes what action within your domain and within the management as well. This allows you to know the progress taken and the time taken to move between one status to another, and in the case of any mistakes or errors, you can track when this mistake was made or when this change was done, so that you can then plan and track the future plans accordingly.